How to open Google Play Store account on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And after that, launch the Play Store application. So generally, in order to open a Play Store account, what you need to have is a Google account. So if you associate any of the Google accounts, then you will be able to create the Google Play Store account. So simply, as you can see in the top of the screen, here is my profile. So this is an account on Google Play Store itself. So if you want to add another account, you can simply tap on the options or arrow down button and simply select Add Another Account. And you have to select Google. And as you select Google, you just have to verify yourself. And simply you can either create a new account or you can just add an existing account for another account over here. So just mention and enter your login credentials, and you'll be able to open a Google Play Store account on an Android phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.